Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Chestnuts roasting on an open fire, and Jack Frost nipping at your nose. Hey, Mike Foster here. How you doing? Merry Christmas. This post is right around Christmas time. And it's about why you should eat chestnuts. You know, they started eating chestnuts, I think, back in the Pilgrims' time during Christmas and holidays and festive. And why did they eat chestnuts? Well, the answer is quite simple why they ate chestnuts. Because the land that they occupied was loaded with chestnut trees. So why should you eat chestnuts? Chestnuts are low in calories, and they're very low carb food, high in protein. They're from the beech tree family. You know, they're also antioxidants and heart healthy. Antioxidants are some of the greatest things you can eat and put in your body. Anything good for your heart. They're cancer fighters. They lower your blood pressure. They're good for hypertension. I'm serious. Why else should you eat this holiday tradition? Chestnuts are loaded with magnesium and potassium. They help lower your blood sugar. They're good for your digestion. They also have vitamins, C and E and B complex. And you know what all those vitamins do? If you don't, Google it or listen to your Uncle Mike here. Vitamin E is great for your skin. Vitamin D is the sunshine vitamin. That's really important for you. And the B complex vitamins are good sources of proteins that you can't get from other animal proteins. So you want the non-animal proteins. Why else? Good source of calcium. They help aid in your digestion. And believe it or not, eating these beautiful chestnuts during the holiday season or anytime you want, they're good for lowering your blood sugar. Is that what I said? Yeah. Good for lowering your blood sugar. But guess what? If they taste like trash, who cares? So let's give it a taste. Chestnuts roasting on an open fire. Jack Frost nipping at your nose. Will this taste good? I am going to tell you. Not bad. Merry Christmas, maybe once a year. No, eat your chestnuts. Check out all my other videos, my Why Eat videos. I have over 100 of them on foods that you should eat so you stay happy, healthy, and live a long, wonderful life. Happy holidays from Live Life 365 and Mike Foster. Till next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Sweet baboo, Baba.